everyone, I am Meenal Tiwari and I welcome you all to this video. First of all, I want to ask you one question. Which is the earliest known civilization? Well, it is the Indus Valley Civilization. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about their time period, location, art and culture, and how did this civilization got ended. The time period is from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE. This civilization was from Bronze Age and is also known as Harappan civilization. Location on map. The Harappan civilization was located in the Indus River Valley. Its two largest sites are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, where these are located in present in Pakistan, near Sindh provinces. Let us now see the art and culture of Indus Valley civilization. This is the picture of dry palm leaf. In this you can see the written note. These notes were written as their languages and these were used for the communication purpose. Plates of copper and tablets of clay. Plates of copper were used for food serving and tablet of clay were used for making an art. The weapons were used for hunting and for protecting themselves from enemy. This was also used as a tool for agriculture. Rocks and pillars. These pillars and rocks were used for building, for manufacturing building and also for designing their art. Do you know who were the founders of Indus Valley civilization? It is Dr. R.D. Banerjee and Sir John Marshall Dayaram Sahani are the founders of Mohenjo-daro. This city was very carefully planned, as both the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, two of the largest among 500 sites. These three miles in circumference with around 40,000 people. As you can see in this picture, the buildings are symmetrically designed and have drainage system very perfectly. As you can see in this picture, it is the Indus Valley river. Okay, and in this picture you can see the great bath and a well. This great bath also shows as an example of their people and their engineering skills. Okay, and the well is used for the daily purposes in their daily life. See, this was the earliest known civilization. Still, the people used their brains and formed very good examples for us. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, these are the main sites of Indus Valley civilization. The rivers were found which were Jhelum River, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj, Hakra and Ghagar. The crafts and the art. Crafts of the Indus Valley includes pottery making, dyeing, metal working in bronze and beads making. As you can see in the picture, these are the jewelries and in the center you can see the dancing girl. Art and craft. Dies and small sculptures of bullock carts were probably used as toys and games. The first known use of cotton as a fiber for weaving textiles occurred in the Indus Valley. Did the Indus Valley have written language? Well, it had. As you can see, the sheets and coins were used for exchanging goods. Okay, and goddess was also worshipped. The Pashupati Nath Shivji was also worshipped, as he was called as the god of animal. In this picture, the beard priest. Okay, and there are other pots and dyes which were used by the people for entertainment. Why Mohenjo-daro is called Mode of Death? The name Mohenjo-daro is repeated to specify the mode of the death. The archaeological importance of the sites were first recognized in 1922, 1 year after the discovery of Harappa. Subsequent excavation revealed that moats contain remains of what was once the largest city in the Indus Valley civilization. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.